Hello, food friends. Today we're making pasta salad with lots of vegetables. So here's some transitions of chopped vegetables that's included in the recipe. Broccoli, the 3 different colors of bell peppers, red, yellow, green, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers. So I like to put my seasonings in my pasta salad. I have an Italian dry seasoning and a ranch dry seasoning. There's my vegetables, and you add your seasoning after you stir your vegetables. I almost forgot my olives, so you use a can of black olives. You don't have to, but I like that. So I have 2 different types of vinaigrette, the Greek kind and the Italian. I like using a combination of the both because of the flavors. In the Greek, they add the cheese in it, and that'll complement the cheese that I'm adding, which is the feta. Get you some feta cheese for your pasta salad, guys. You'll thank me later. So for the next day, I chopped onions and I did avocado because I like to have fresh onions. I don't like having leftover onions in my salad. So that's another tip to keep your food tasting good and fresh. Plus, I don't plan on having leftover because it's that good. Let me know in the comments if you will try this recipe. All right, have a